You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow I'll wake up early. Tomorrow I'll focus. Tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow comes and nothing happens. Again. And slowly, you start believing you have no discipline. But what if that's not true? What if the problem isn't discipline at all? Let's understand it. 1. You rely on motivation. You wait to feel ready, to feel inspired. But motivation is unstable. Some days it's there, most days it's not. So when it disappears, your actions disappear too. 2. Your goals are too big. You try to change everything at once. Wake up early, work out, focus, be productive. But your brain resists big changes. So instead of starting, you delay.
3. You don't have a system. You depend on willpower. But willpower is limited. It runs out quickly. Discipline isn't about trying harder. It's about making things easier to repeat. 4. Your environment works against you. Distractions are everywhere. Your phone, your habits, your routine. So even if you want to focus, your environment pulls you back. 5. You avoid discomfort. Discipline feels hard, boring, uncomfortable. So your brain chooses easy things instead. And over time, that becomes your default. 6. You don't see results quickly. You expect change fast. But real progress is slow. So when you don't see results, you stop. 7. You're not lazy. You're just inconsistent. And inconsistency comes from lack of structure, not lack of ability. So how do you fix it? Start small. So small, it feels too easy to fail. Remove distractions. Make the right action the easiest option. Repeat it daily. Not perfectly, just consistently. Because discipline isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small actions, repeated again and again. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch how everything changes. If you relate to this, subscribe. Because here, we don't rely on motivation. We build systems.